Got a bunch of doe out in the back field. I'm in the first field. Got the tripod ready and the gun ready. I mean, they'll probably be coming out here. Might even have to do a little spot and stalk here. But, got 30-06 locked and loaded, ready to go. Some homemade deer jerky. Just made it. This is homemade. I think it's rather tasty, but everybody has their own taste, so. But just in case, I got some Kanye Spice Mix jerky. Hopefully, a nice legal buck comes out. I can whang, put the hammer down on him. Got a 30-06 out. Alright. 30-06 with the quick sight. Not quite sure what brand it is actually, but Winchester bolt action. Winchester model 70 30-06 Springfield. That's the gun we're rocking today. Got the Tacticam film-proof scope on there. I stood up, and two little doe came out right. I mean, like, right behind me. Came out right behind me. They're still just chilling out there. I'm gonna stay here. Hopefully, the rest of the doe like circle back out into this field and right in here. I can get a shot on. I don't even care out here. Got some more doe approaching the field. They just need to come over that hump. I can see her back and her, like half of her neck and her head. I can't see those vitals that I need to shoot. But there's two of them. One I can only see like her face. So hopefully she keeps coming because she was walking this way. They look a little bigger than the ones over here. I haven't shot a deer in 2 years. I'm getting excited. But oh, she's coming over. She's coming over the hump. I'm gonna get the tripod in position. Hopefully get her down. Okay, well, I just shot. I hope I didn't miss. Just shot. Seemed like a bigger doe than I have been seeing. Wow, that shot was loud in here. There is no windows. So as I'm editing the video, I failed to mention how far the shot was. It was about 300 yards. My dad said he was like, that's every bit of 280. It might have been further, so that's by far the farthest shot I've taken. Pretty short, far shot, but hey, 30-06 got her done. Got some meat in the freezer for some catch and cooks. Some cooking videos, so, you know, that's good. Some some deer chili at trout camp. That's what I'm looking forward to. That's what Henry's looking forward to. I know that. So yeah, but that'll be the end of this video. Got it done, got a tag filled. I still have 2 more. Hopefully a buck comes out sometime in this season. But yeah, so see you on the next one.